Welcome all dear students and doctors in Ayurveda Adhyan e-lecture series, and it's a 10th lecture. We'll learn in this lecture Brahatva Chintamani Ras, which is very important kalpa in emergency medical conditions in Ayurveda, as well as degenerative Vata disorders in Niramavastha. So we'll try to learn Brahatva Chintamani Ras in next slides. So stay connected. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वंतरे अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वामय विनाशाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्री महाविष्णवे नमः. बृहत्वा चिंतामणि रस, इट्स रेफरेंस इज भैषज रत्नावली, वात व्याधि रोगाधिकार, योगेंद्र सार संग्रह, एज वेल एज भारत भैषज रत्नाकर. So this is a text which shows all ingredients of Brahatva Chintamani Ras. We'll try to learn in next slide with details. Is another reference. So this is a reference. It contains Suvarna Bhasma, Rajat Bhasma, Abrak Bhasma, 2 parts, Mukta Bhasma 3 part, Loha Bhasma, Praval Bhasma, Suta Bhasma, that is Parad Bhasma, and Kumari Swaras Bhavana. So first is Parad Bhasma. It's a Yogavahi Dravya Rasayan. Suvarna Bhasma is Ojavardhak, has very good action, that is Vishanashak and Rudya. Then third important Dravya ingredient, that is Ropya Bhasma. Ropya is Shukra Vardhak, Vajikar, and it's very good action on Mastiksha and Vatavahi Nadya, that is nervous tissue. It is Balavardhak, and it has very good action on voluntary muscles. Abrak Bhasma is Vata Pitta Shamak having property. It's very good action on main, that is Majja Raju, and it has Balya action. Then Praval Bhasma, Shita, Brahan, and Rasadhatu Poshak Dravya. Then Loha Bhasma, Rakta Vardhak Dravya, Balya and Rasayan property. Bhavna Dravya, that is Kumari Swaras Bhavna. Kumari is having action as a Daha Shamak, Vishadoshanashak, Balya and Rasayan. Some of the different text part showing some 3 other ingredient like Kasturi, Ambar and Chandrodaya also. But this part we are concerned with these major ingredients. Gunakarma of Brahatva Chintamani in next slide, that is its action on 3 dosha. It's also action on Saptadhatu. It's a Saptadhatu Vardhak Dravya. Its action on Netra, Asti, Majja, Shukra, and its chief action on Prana Vayu, Rasadhatu, Rakta Dhatu, and as well as other Srotas also. We can use, and its main action in Niramavastha, and its acts on Trayodash Agni. Its property as per Ayurveda, it is Madhur Rasatmak, Shit Viryatmak and Madhur Vipaki Dravya. Its Panchabhotik concern, we can say it doing Poshan of Prithvi, Aap, Tej Tattva, and doing Sharan of Vayu and Akash Tattva. So we'll try to learn more important things about Brahatva Chintamani. So in this slide we can study Matra, Kal and Anupan. Although it is emergency conditions drug, so in its dose Matra as per text, that is Vanagunja, and its Anupan is Goghrut, Madhu and sugar. We can use in morning time at empty stomach, and emergency condition we can use as per medical condition, and Kala Maryada, that is 1 to 48 days as per text. So Brahatva Chintamani medical use. So as per research paper published by our PG scholar, PhD scholars, we can use in spinal cord demyelination, neuropathy, neuritis, dementia, anxiety, depression, RA, premature ejaculation, sexual disorders, trigeminal neuralgia, migraine, all these are the Vata Vyadhi in this medical condition we can use Brahat Vachintamani as per medical condition of the patient. So first slide, that is Vata Vyadhi. In which Vata Vyadhi it Brahat Vachintamani we can use. So it has very good action on Pakshaghat, Ekanga Vat, then Sarvanga Vat and Ardhit Vat. So in Dhatu Kshayjanya Avastha we can use Brahat Vachintamani as Dhatu Poshak Dravya. When there is a Kaphajanya Avaran, there is a we cannot use this type of medicine. In this condition we have to use Malasindur, Samir Pannak and Hemagaropotali Rasayan. So in Pitta Pradhan Samprapti there is Daha, Shotha, Pakha, Dhatu Vaishamya, or in this condition also we can use Brahat Vachintamani Ras. So we go to the next slide. In Hruday Roga, in Hruday Rog like Vataj Rudra, in this condition Brahat Vachintamani it's a very good drug as per the shloka they have mentioned. In this condition Samprapti as per the text, that is Atishrama, Ati Vyayam, Bhiti, Shoka, Chinta, there is a vitiation of Vata Pitta dosha, then Vata Pitta Prakop, and the Samprapti of Hruday Rog generally happens. Especially Brahat Vachintamani deals with Vataj Hruday Rog. So in Chirna Jwara Avastha or Sanipatik Jwara Avastha, Brahat Vachintamani having very good action. So it doing Deha Dhatu Poshan and doing Oja Vruddhi. In Rajakshma also it doing recovery of Dhatu Kshay, and both Pratilam as well as Anulom Avastha, it is very good drug for that, for doing Oja Vruddhi and Poshan of the Dhatus. So in cervical spondylosis there is a condition like cervical radiculopathy, in also lumbar spondylosis. In this medical condition Brahat Vachintamani having very good action because it contains so many bhasma dravya which having very good action on nervous tissue. So in this condition paresthesia or radiculopathy symptoms develops, and because of these medical properties it's very useful in this medical condition. So in Parkinson's along with other medication we can use Brahat Vachintamani Ras. In chronic RA patients having Dhatu Kshayjanya Avastha, in this condition we can use Brahat Vachintamani Ras to giving nourishment to Dhatus. In migraine, chronic migraine patients, Brahat Vachintamani having very good action. In anxiety, insomnia, this type of medical conditions also we can use Brahat Vachintamani Ras. Neurologic conditions, because it contains Bhasma Dravya which is having very good action on nervous tissue like Abrak, Bhasma and other. So in these conditions we can use Brahat Vachintamani Ras. Before going to the contraindications, in Atyayika Avastha like Nadik Kshinata, Shwasa Vruddhi, excessive sweating, Avayav Karyahani, Dhatu Kshay, Oja Kshay, in these medical conditions we can use Brahat Vachintamani as a sartan dravya and contraindication. So in Samavastha generally we should not use this type of kalpa. We can use in Niramavastha and Kshayjanya Samprapti. In this condition it having very good results. Summary, Brahat Vachintamani, it's a very important medicine in emergency conditions and Ayurveda. So we can use in Kshayjanya Samprapti. So it contains some bhasma, no less toxic medicine. We can use in all conditions with precautiously and proper dose management. So Brahat Vachintamani, its name indicates some, we can say, important message, that is it is useful in Vata Vikar and it is a Mahan Divya Aushadhi So it doing Vyadhiharan and Chintaharan. So Chintamani. So its name is Brahatva Chintamani and it's a Rasayan Kalpa. So we can conclude this session of online lecture series here. So stay connected with Rasakalpa in Ayurveda Adhyayan e-lecture series. Thanks a lot for kind listening all 10 lectures. So request from us, that is to subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon button so you can get notification of our further activity. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Jai Ayurveda.